Are you looking for the solution to fix this song is not available in your region in Apple Music? Let's start by opening your iPhone and launching the Apple Music. Try playing the song again to see the region restriction message. You will see a message saying the song is not available in your region. This usually happens due to country or account settings. Now go to your iPhone settings to begin fixing the issue. Tap on your Apple ID profile at the top of settings. Open the Media and Purchases section inside your account. Check your country or region settings carefully. Tap on Country and Region to view current settings. Make sure your selected country matches your real location. If needed, change it to the correct country. Agree to the terms and conditions if prompted. You may also need to update payment details. Save all changes after updating your region settings. Now, reopen the Apple Music app again. Search for the same song once more. If the error still appears, try basic fixes. Turn airplane mode on and off to refresh network. Switch your Wi-Fi connection if needed. Restart your iPhone to refresh system settings. Open Apple Music again after restarting. Sign out and sign back into your Apple ID if required. Also make sure your iOS is updated to the latest version. Wait for the update process to complete fully. After that, open Apple Music again. Now try playing the song once more. In most cases, the issue will be resolved. Your song should now be available and playable. Make sure your account region is always correct. Keep your app and system updated regularly. And that's how you fix the region error in Apple Music easily.